Good morning, guys. I feel like that's like my new intro whenever I'm vlogging. But if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Courtney Raine, and I am currently doing VLOGMAS. I'm super excited. So for today's video, to get us into the holiday spirit, I lost my lighting, sorry. I'll go back to my corner. To get us into the holiday season, yesterday we went shopping for room decor. Today we are going to be decorating my room, and I'm so excited because it's been in desperate need of a little bit of holiday cheer. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. Some of it, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it. So the 3 posters, this is gonna be the hardest thing. The 3 posters on the top of my wall, I'm going to try to gift wrap them and make them look more festive, you know, with like wrapping paper on them. That might be a total fail. I have no idea. But with that being said, let's go ahead to my room and let's go grab some decor. So I figured that I would go ahead and sort of start off with the absolute hardest thing, which is probably going to be, like I said, wrapping those posters. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this. I got 3 different types of gift wrap. I got this one here, it's red and it has like little tiny like hints of, don't mind like I have eyeliner on my finger, but it has hints of blue in it. And then I have this gray one that has like little tags on it. And then I got this one that kind of looks like cardboard. I seriously have no idea how this is gonna go. This is either gonna go so well or it's gonna go horribly wrong. I haven't quite decided. I have this all cut now. I don't know. I really have no idea what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm gonna try to flip this over. We're fully like in this together, guys. This is so bad. Okay, I need to put stuff to hold it down. I did it! It actually looks really good. Look at that. So now we're gonna move on to the other 2. And I decided that, I'm covered in tape by the way, but I decided I'm gonna go with this gray one just because I like the red one a lot more, like a lot more, but I don't know. I'm probably just gonna stick to the silver. Honestly, maybe I'll just get faster the more I do this because that took forever and I'm probably gonna run out of tape because I was totally underestimating the amount of tape that it was gonna take to get that down. And I'm just hoping I have enough because I am not going outside. No, it is too cold for that. Put it down like here. No, it looks good. Oh no! I set it on tape. I set it on tape. I am so mad at myself right now. That was 100% me. I did that. Dang it. We'll see how it looks inside of my bedroom. I literally might just leave this because I'm not doing that again. Since I sleep on this side of the bed, I think I'm going to do a very like simple amount of decorating to this side, but then on this side, I'm gonna put like my tree and everything. That way it doesn't like really like get in the way when I have to like turn out my lights at night. I am so excited to do this. I cannot tell you the last time I decorated a tree. This is so adorable. And I bought that tree for like $6. Like it was nothing expensive. I have been decorating and cleaning for the last like 2 hours. And now I'm to the point where I don't know if I got too little decorations. It took me a long time because my room was trash and it needed a good clean. So now I'm over here, I'm drinking some hot chocolate, which I am getting into a really bad habit of drinking hot chocolate instead of coffee. So I'm just sitting here trying to think, do I go back to Target and get more decorations or do I just leave it like this? I think it looks really good. I just feel like I could have done so much more to it. You know what? I am fully gonna leave it up to you guys. I'm gonna show you what I have. I think it looks super cute. But at the same time, I would also totally agree with you guys if you said it wasn't enough decorations. So I'm gonna leave it fully up into your hands. So if you think that it's good enough, leave a comment down below. And if you think that I should go back to Target, maybe I'll turn that into a whole nother video. Maybe it'll be a part 3 of Courtney's room decoration. I have no idea what I would title that, but you know what I mean. It would probably just be like a part 3. So this is entirely up to you guys. So let me just show you the room. This is what you see walking into my room. Pretty much everything stayed the same when it came to like my desk and like my closets. I did change this out, but I feel like it looks so lonely. Maybe I need to add like 1 stocking on this side and maybe 2 on this side, just to make it look more, I don't know, not just a wall that has 1 stocking on it. I feel like that looks so depressing. But then over here, nothing on my windowsill really changed. But over here, I did change some stuff up. I have this candle here. So this is Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. This is now my favorite candle in the entire world. I got this little tiny Christmas tree and then just this little decoration. And then this is a picture from, I don't think it was last Christmas. I think this was 2 Christmases ago. Up here, you guys already saw that I had wrapped my posters. I think it turned out so good. There is a little bit of a glare. I was a little bit nervous about that. But I feel like once I have my studio lights in here, right now we're only getting the lights from my 2 lamps, it won't be that bad. You guys have already seen the lights multiple times in this video by now. This whole setup was literally $4.50. Like, you cannot beat that. And then I switched out my pillowcases that used to be this blue color, and I switched them out for white shams. And I just mixed that in with a bunch of other like white pillows here. I love this one. This one is so cute. Moving on to the other side. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I also switched out. I usually have a pink or a blue blanket here, and this time I have a white blanket. And on my little tray here, I just put the hot chocolate I was drinking earlier. On this side, I have my little Christmas tree. I wrapped actually like one of my paperweights, and I just wrapped it to make it look kind of like a present. And I also have this red candle. Here, actually, these are just some photos with me and some coworkers. I thought that was like a cute little add-on there. And that was pretty much all that I did. I feel like it does do a big difference. It definitely is a lot more, you know, holiday here in my room, but I don't know. I can't decide if this is good or if I should add more. I definitely feel like I need to do something with this wall. This is a sad wall. I have no idea. Maybe just like adding some more stockings. Like, I feel like 3 more stockings could fit on that wall. I don't know. I just need to figure something out because this is sad. Like, this is lonely. Like, this is me and all of my friends. But remember, leave a comment down below giving me your suggestions or feedback on how I'm supposed to decorate, or if I'm done decorating. I don't even know. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I am doing Vlogmas. So that means there'll be a video up tomorrow. There was a video up yesterday. I am going every single day up until the 25th. So it's a lot of vlogs, a lot of time, but I'm fully committed and I'm so excited to do this. And I think we're doing a good job so far. So definitely hit that subscribe button, join the family, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.